kicking, y'all? Kwikpanik here, and I'm back in gear. Don't you have no fear? And today I have count 'em, two Cosmic Eclipse build and battle boxes. That's a lot of bees. And I was super fortunate that one of my friends over at Heroes and Fantasies here in San Antonio was willing to let me purchase these to open with you guys instead of opening them there and playing in the event. So I was super fortunate to have a friend over there to do that. So shout out to Mike. I appreciate that. He was also nice enough to give us the participation packs. So we'll be opening those in addition to these. But this is a pretty cool new set. There was a set in Japan that had a lot of the cards that are in here that I was kind of scared we wouldn't get. But I'm a big fan of the tag team Pokemon that they've been giving, the EXs. And it's really cool because there's Pokemon, like you can see on the fronts of these packs, like you're never gonna get a tag team of Togepi. Like Togepi, Igglybuff, Cleffa, they got 3 in a tag team. You got Piplup. Like you were never gonna use those Pokemon competitively without this kind of setup. So I'm excited to open these. I haven't opened a pre-release since Phantom. It was like X and Y Phantom Forces? I don't know what it was called. But that was the last sneak peek I went to, and actually I think that's the only sneak peek I went to, and I pulled really well, so I have high hopes for this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to open up one of these, and then I'll go into 3 of the loose packs, and then, do the next one. So, there's a really cool box associated with this. It looks like the same one that I got at GameStop when I got the Unified Minds box. I'm not 100% sure what all we can get in here, so forgive me for my naivety, but okay, building tips. I don't need those because I don't even play. That's bad. Looks like the promo we got was Blacephalon. And then there's a bunch of cards in there. I believe it's just deck building stuff. So I'm going to put that off to the side. And then we get one of each pack art in here. And I'm going to start with Blastoise Piplup. I'm excited. I really want the Snivy Venusaur. So if we could pull that, I'd be very happy. Let's see. Is this upside? Oh, okay. It's this way. All right, note to self, there's your code card. 1, 2, 3, flip over the energy. It's water, not ice. Okay, so I haven't seen any of these cards, except for some of the... Wait, did I say EX? Is it GX? I don't even know. Tag call. Dhelmise! Why isn't he ever set? I still hate you, Dhelmise. Chaotic Swell. We got a Alolan Sandshrew. He looks pretty happy. He's Steel type. That's pretty cool. We have Snorunt. We got ourselves a Crawford with a Pokebody. It's an ability, I know. Then we got ourselves a little Drillbur. We got a Swirlix. Forgot that guy existed. We have a reverse Gallade. All right, we got a reverse rare. I assume that's going to be rare, right? Boop, it is. And the rare is Golurk. Hey, Halloween. What kind of voice crack was that? Halloween. All right, first pack was kind of booty. That's okay. We have lots of packs. I'm excited that I was able to get my hands on this stuff early because I don't want to wait till release for this. Okay, so if it's the same as the last one, we flip it around. There is your code card. 1, 2, 3, flip over the energy. It's Psychic. It's definitely not Poison. Sure as heck ain't Ghost, though it is spooky season. We got ourselves a Lileep. Is that an Ammonite fossil he's on? Not Ammonite, a Helix fossil? There's an Ammonite right there. Cool. We got ourselves a Jolteon. That's really cool art. We got Pangoro. Piplup, I love Piplup. He's so cute. And we got a Cosmog. Got ourselves a Ponyta. Crabrawler. We got Carvana, the reverse. Oh, what? I didn't know this was in the reverse slot. It's so cool. Look, it's Dawn and Piplup. Oh, okay. So these come in the reverse slot. That's so cool. Oh, all right. That's our first hit. And the rare is a Kyogre. Hey. This is great. Where am I? I keep penny sleeves around here sometimes. And they're right here. All right. What a cool hit. I'm excited about these. So these, this isn't a tag team. This is just a Piplup. But it has trainers in the art with some of these. And I'm really excited to see some of the art for these, especially like Erica and Vileplume, I think. Dang, that's a beautiful card. That is a beautiful card. All right, what a good start. Let's get into the second one. I don't know. Are the pull rates different for sneak peeks? I feel like I see better pulls from sneak peeks than I do just like out in the wild. Here is your code card. Hope you enjoy that. 1, 2, 3. Flip over the energy. It's fighting, not rock, not ground. We got Floette. We got ourselves, ooh, Zangoose. Yes, sir. That's some cool art. It'd be cooler if it was shiny. Vaporeon, my second favorite evolution. That's some adorable art. Pikachu, why you look so mean? I love it. Who's the artist on that one? That looks good. That's a good Pikachu pose. We got Teddiursa, who's terrified of Arceus. We got ourselves a Nosepass. Leo. We got a Flabebe. We got a reverse Roxy. And the rare is a Glalie. We still haven't gotten a holo. Well, I mean, the reverse doesn't count, right? I don't know. There's Roxy. She also has coughing that she participates in the art for. And then we got our 3 babies. Let's go ahead and flip this around so you can get your code card. Enjoy that. 1, 2, 3. Flip over the energy. It's Steel. It's not a metal energy. Steel. Steel. We got Misty and Lorelei. Ooh, that'd be a really cool card art. We got ourselves a Mimikyu. And when I say card art, I mean full art. Sorry. Full art. We got a Mimikyu. We got ourselves a Beastite. We got Golett. Got Jupiter. We got Apom. Onyx. All right. We got ourselves a Tepig. Look how cute, the little Pokeball. And the reverse is Lana's fishing rod. And the rare. We got a holo. A Alolan Ninetales. That's a nice holo. I like that. That's pretty. Okay. So our build and battle box had 2 holos. But we got that full art Piplup. So let's go into the packs that we got here. There we go. I was trying to get 3 different arts. So these are like the participation packs. I haven't participated in a sneak peek in a long time. There's actually a Pokemon sneak peek and a Yu-Gi-Oh sneak peek this weekend, which I did not know. There is your code card. Hope you enjoy. 1, 2, 3. Flip over the energy. It's dark. That's dark. Dark, dark, dark. All right, we got Probopass. Igglybuff. You don't have an attack. We got ourselves a Pyroar. I love Pyroar. We got ourselves a Rufflet. An Oddish. Ralts. We got a Sandygast. The reverse is behind the Spheal, and it's a Skrelp. And the rare is a Swoobat. That's some interesting art. All right, Skrelp, get over there. To the back. You're done. Next pack. We got the trio here. It'd be cool to pull the trio. Honestly, aside from Snivy Venusaur, I don't even know what else I want from this pack. So, 1, 2, 3. Flip over the energy. It's water. I think there's a Charizard in here that everybody likes. We got ourselves, is that Pignite? Look how mischievous he is. He looks so good in that card. I like it. Zangoose again. We got a Gloom. We got a Deerling. Teddiursa. Golett. We got a Jupiter. We got a Helioptile. Almost looks shiny. The reverse. Ooh, look at that Weavile. Yes, sir. And the rare is a Swanna. Check that out. Second hit. I mean, I like that better than a GX, honestly, because I collect for art. I don't use any of these for anything, but I love Weavile, and that is some solid heckin' art. Wow. I can't remember his name. Comment section, get me. Cyrus? I don't remember. But that looks really cool. All right. And the last pack for the first set. Flip it around. There's your code card. Hope you enjoy that. 1, 2, 3. Flip over the energy. It's... Get it right. It's steel. Steel? Are you with me? Steel. That's not metal. Okay? Stop saying metal. You're making us look silly. All right. We got Cynthia and Caitlin. We got a Celio. We got a Bisharp. Yes, sir. We got a Cottony. A Rowlet. He looks so cute. We got a Phantump. A Nololan Grimer. We got a Magnemite. The reverse is a Sneasel to go with our Weavile. And the rare is Whimsicott. Wow. Only one holo. I mean, I guess the reverse slots count as holos? I'm not sure how that works. All right, let's get into our next box. I don't know what the other promos are, but hopefully we just don't get another Blacephalon. I think there's an Entei. I would like to get the Entei. If we're asking for preferences. Whoop, slide that off. Bam. And we got Buzzwole. I've had enough Buzzwole, man. Well, there's our other promo. Put him over there next to Blacephalon. We got 4 pack arts. Let's start with, I think we ended with this one last time. Okay, I'm going to try to do them in a reverse order. I know you guys don't care, but I'm superstitious, okay? I can't help it. When things are left up to chance, I'm like, there's got to be something I did wrong to get that bad pull. There is your code card. 1, 2, 3. Flip over the energy. It's water. That's water. Okay, it's water. All right, next up, we got Will. Hey. Will, we got a Golduck. We got a Pangoro. We got Cosmog, Ponyta, Crabrawler, Carvana, Chinchou. The reverse is a Sunkern. And the rare is a Lantern. Okay. All right. Well, okay. All right. No, this is fine. This is good. This is good. It's just building up for when we pull the super extra Mondo Cool card in the last pack. There's your code. Go redeem that. Get something amazing. 1, 2, 3. Flip over the energy. It's grass. I don't care if there's a leaf on it. It's grass. We got a Lily. We got Rotom. I can't wait to not see him in Sword and Shield on my bottom screen. We got Erica, Sneasel. We got a Spheal. We got Meowth, a Ralts, Passimian. And the reverse is a Lunala. And the rare is a Swoobat. What? I mean, I'm really happy with the Weavile and the Piplup. But where are the rare slots? We got the Alolan Ninetales? Come now. Here is your... Whoop. Okay, let's not ruin that. There's your code card. Fumbled with that for a second. 1, 2, 3. Flip over the energy. It's electric. There's no lightning type. All right. We got, Heracross. I love Heracross. We got Lily's Pokédoll, specifically Dragonium Z. We got a Cosmog, a Ponyta, Crabrawler. We got a Carvana. The reverse is behind this Chinchou, and it's a Sunflora. And the rare. Oh, what is that? A full art Oricorio GX. All right, cool. We got a full art. That's heckin' pretty. All right, I like the purple. Cool. All right, we got 3 hits. I can't even be mad about whatever's in the rest of it. But, universe, if you want to give me that Venusaur Snivy, I'd be head over boots. Head over boots for you. It's a good song, for the record. I know a lot of you probably don't like country music. I love it. There's the code card. 1, 2, 3. Flip over the energy. It's Psychic. That's a Psychic energy, all right? We got Guzma and Hala. We got Vaporeon. I love her so much. Absol. We got Flabébé. We got Tangela. A Duskull. I like that art. Timpo. I was about to say Timpo. We got Piplup. The reverse is a Palpitoad. And the rare is a Fiona, who gets no love because Manaphy's better in every way. All right, let's get into our last 3 packs. I'm going to save Blastoise for last. Let's flip this around. There's your code card. 1, 2, 3. Flip over the energy. It's electric, because there's electric type Pokemon, right? Right? Curly. We got Roller Skater. We got Clefairy, Nolan Meowth, Ralts, Passimian, Jangmo. Oh, he's biting his tail. Calm down. We got ourselves a Clay Rowlet, a reverse... And the rare, the Golurk. Okay, 2 more packs. We're going to save Blastoise Piplup for last. I have faith. We're going into the Lunala with Solgaleo. Solgaleo. There is your code card. 1, 2, 3. Flip over the energy. It's dark. We got Heracross. Araquanid. Haven't seen him yet. We got Thro. We got a Carvana. That big. I love that card. We got Togedemaru, an Onyx, Wailmer. The reverse is a Coughing, and the rare is a Dusknoir. Okay, so we got another holo. We got 1 pack left here. Before we get into it, I just want to say thank you so much for all the support. Leave a like on the video if you enjoy this content. Subscribe to the channel if you've not already. I bring Pokemon and Funko content. Sword and Shield will come out, and I'll have a lot of video game content based on that game. Follow me on Twitch if you enjoy video game content. I'm streaming all the time. The information's down in the description. Without further ado, let's get into this last one. Here's your code card. Hopefully I end on a really good note. 1, 2, 3. Flip over the energy. It's Fairy. Flip it around. Who do we got? We got Hakamo. Oh, that's really good art. We got ourselves a Rotom. We got Type Null. Skrelp. A Pikachu. Teddiursa. Nosepass. Lit Leo. The reverse is Stoutland. And the rare. Oh, we got the card I wanted. What a cool end. It's not the full art, but I love Snivy Venusaur. What a great way to end the video. Let's just go over our pulls real quick. There's some cool cards in here. We got, well, I guess I should start with the regular holos. Oh, goodbye, Dusknoir. Well, you already saw Dusknoir. Now he's on the ground forever. There's the Alolan Ninetales, but most importantly, we got all these. We got the nice Piplup. Bloop. Okay, there's the Piplup. We got the Weavile. We got a full art Oricorio, and then look at that. We got our Venusaur Snivy GX that I wanted. That is all I've got for today. I hope you guys have an awesome day. Later.